What time is this one?
4:20.
I'm filming part of it. Did this happen before?
Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit faster than.
Oh, it's going pretty fast.
Yeah, it is.
I got it. I'm filming part of it. Ah, that happens.
Yeah, no doubt. That means there won't be another one for a couple of hours.
In the evening, probably.
Yeah.
I bet the southbound is gonna come tonight. I think so.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, northbound. About 421.
Yeah.
That's why there wasn't any cars coming, you know?
You're right, yeah.
Who knows, maybe it just started. You know?
Mm-hmm.
It's still going.
Yeah.
A long one. Around 422. Wow. I'm sure it was CN.
Yeah.
It happens.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got a good video of it. Oh, not yet. I thought the end was coming. That truck turned his lights on.
Mm-hmm.
There's the end of it. Empty lumber car.
Yeah.
There it goes. Very long one. I don't know. Maybe. I think it was long, don't you?
Yeah, it was probably a regular northbound.
That's alright.
Yeah, got it.
That happens. We can try later.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure we'll see a southbound later, you know?
Right.
Oh. Here, let me get the back of it real quick. Yep.
Did you see the back?
I did.
Okay.
Pound Road was red, but it's for that one.
Yeah.